Yeah, I'm Hajra and this is Hajra Honestly. And you all know I recently started studying psychology in class 11. I'm very new to this. So I have only studied the beginning part of the first chapter till now. But honestly, it already changed the way I look at people a little. Before this, I used to think psychology was mostly about emotions, mental health, or just understanding feelings. But after starting the chapter, What is Psychology? I realized this psychology is actually much broader than what I used to think. It basically tries to understand humans scientifically, our behavior, thoughts, emotions, experiences, reactions, and even why different people react differently in same situation. One thing I found really interesting was how the meaning of psychology kept changing over time. Earlier, psychology was called the study of soul. Then people started calling it the study of mind, and then it became the study of consciousness. And finally, the modern psychology became more like scientific study of behavior, experience, and mental processes. And honestly, the word scientific surprised me the most because psychology is not just a random guessing or mind reading as we all think. Psychologists actually use observation, experiments, interviews, research, and data to understand behavior properly. Another thing I found interesting is that psychology studies both visible and invisible things. Like visible behavior can be laughing, speaking, crying, shouting. But psychology also studies invisible things like overthinking, fear, imagination, stress, confidence, thoughts. And honestly, I think that's what makes psychology feel so connected to real life. Because almost everything around us today has some psychological aspect behind it. Like, see, why we procrastinate, why confidence changes, why people react differently even in same situation, why some experiences affect people deeply, so deeply, or why someone smiling can still be emotionally stressed internally. Like, if you know what I'm trying to say. Another thing I really liked was that psychology tries to understand people instead of judging them quickly like we do. Instead of saying this person is weird, psychology asks, why might this person be behaving like this? And I genuinely like that perspective because behavior can be affected by emotions, stress, family, childhood, environment, experiences, society. We never know what's the real reason behind it. So yeah, this was basically my first introduction to psychology, and honestly, I feel like psychology is not just a subject about the mind. It's more like slowly learning how humans work. Anyway, that's all I studied and understood about psychology this week.